bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything.
What's up, YouTube? This is Exotic Girl here, back with another video. So, you guys, I know y'all missed me, okay? Did you miss me? I know you did, okay? I hope you checked out my previous video. So, as you can tell by the title, this is a Ratchet Get Unready With Me with your girl Truly. Okay, so make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. So, you guys, and we're gonna keep vlogging this out or whatever.
Crack at it. 2X just for the TikTok niggas pathetic. Back at it. Back at it. Vegetable up and I give him the drip that I'm gonna. And this is the thing.
I wanted to make sure you guys see my new hair growth. Look at all this new growth, you guys. Like, oh my God, look at me. I'm so pretty. But oh my God, you guys, my hair has grown so much. I am going to be doing a natural hair video, some type of video like that. So you guys, please stay tuned this week. But I just want to point out, look at the growth. I just did my hair May 17th. And now look at it, you guys. Okay? Like, I don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay. I'm hyped for the new growth. But let's get started on my unreadiness, okay?
With a right jab, I bet he didn't know who was right there. I heard a few shots, that's a hot pepper. It's gonna be a whole nother sound. I promise that I can come straight to town, cause I ain't got no hate towards your town. Nigga wanna see me walk with my head down. Think it's funny, ain't playing around. In my bed, but a nigga ain't laying down. If I pull up, I'm tearing it down. Get it. Smoking the sky, this shit gonna hit like it's cracking it. The boy got the rock and sleep it, top like a crack at it. 2X just for the TikTok niggas pathetic. Back at it. Back at it. Vegetable up and I give him the drip that I'm on. And this is the things that I get, nigga, you tell me who I'm. Gotta go now, can't prolong. I'm out of space in the ozone. In the spaceship, let it float on. Can't stop me now, nigga, hold on. Beat up with those bronze truck. Blow the dust, I'll get it back crunk. Go on the move, better bass up. Niggas caught up with me dead drunk. Ain't tryna sleep with. Ain't tryna sleep in no damn bunk. I'm supposed to be here making anthems. And some of you niggas know well enough. Gonna stick with it, and it's been a minute. I know I've been too hard to find. I had to admit it. I know that you niggas can never be one of my kind. Agent persuasion. Agent persuasion. She's I can go two at a time.
So I just want to point out, this has been helping my acne really good. It's called Stridex, and as you can see, I'm telling y'all, like, it works, okay? Miracles, okay? Go get it, okay? But I'll come back, okay, guys?
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. And I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things we try, yeah, let's just keep it private. Dedicated to you a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. Dedicated to yeah. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me. We both a different breed. I'm following your lead. I ask you what you need. You say it guaranteed. You say that like it's easy. You never believe me. Told you I got teas for these other girls sleeping on them, girl. I'm sleepy like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, me, I'm moving quiet. All the things that
business. The daddy is not around, my mama is not around. I watch her climb on the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this, I make it snow in this. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going to G. Shawty is going to G. Yeah, I'm supporting. This is a story that came from my life and I'm just recording. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me blowing this shit. You know you important. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got more shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this. Please make the most of it. Don't just go shit. I give you this bread, you run me some head, and then you go blow up a beat. She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Daddy is not around, my mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas.
Alright, you guys, sorry y'all had to see me turn up a little bit, but thank you so much for tuning in for another beautiful video. And you guys, I'm about to close my video out, so that's why I'm talking right now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for my natural hair video. Bye.
This might be new to you, this ain't what you know to. But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to you, this ain't what you know to. But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Bet $1 billion that you gon' like this, 'cause you never had a wild one.